We are going there, right?
Yeah, man.
You mean, man? One at this. And them thing I will like, so we are going up in a yes, guys.
This is ridiculous.
No, people, no.
This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Cameron, what you do?
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Yeah. Come on.
Right now.
Come on, we're ready, brother.
Get the ice stars them. See them?
Oh, so where the pan
Straight
on
pan,
limb?
yeah.
We came together.
And
Hey,
sharp
we can't get enough of this.
Yeah.
Enough ice.
Yeah, man, you can't get one.
I stick one.
Now watch that, man.
Oh, so then they just depends on limb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are trying to get some ice stars.
Oh my God.
But are you put them there or you just most of them in there?
them grow, man.
So them bro?
Yeah.
I'm a yesterday me eat what you buy in China.
You are the first man to at the actual ice stars or them catch them.
Yeah, me
And as
too.
you can see, the man pick them off. Yo, camera.
Let me see. Let me get.
So, freestyle, so we reach on pirate sugar.
I'm big boat, this enough.
Let me tell you something.
Alright, yeah.
Give me a look at tubes, let me see. Make your, yeah, so okay, we're going to try the because of me, I love eating the oysters. Friend, you just cut it, give me the sauce, and me just dash it. Let me taste it.
I know, so one time I try ice stars.
Let me taste it again, because I want to just spice up the mouth.
Yeah, man, nice.
I ain't nobody give me that little tubes again, man.
Camera.
Yeah, cause it's a little tubes him chewing, and now we can't get it. So massive, it has that taste, which is, it is very spicy.
Yo.
Blessed love and respect all my Jamaica walk by massive. Jai is great all the time. As you can see, we're up on the seaside massive, and that place is named Old Harbour Bay. You understand? No joke. So we're there right around the Old Harbour Bay, right on the fishing village like, you know what I mean? So as you can see the boat them and them thing, you know, so them fishermen them use to go see. But it's not just special to me, you know, because guess what? We're there with the Cameron family and we are going to move towards them kitchen. Alright, run us off for them ends, because you can see the truck them and all of them things. They don't know the world works, they don't know the thing them go. And for a year, Cameron family, you know, say a seaside, you know, say out at sea and bay things. And we're there, you know what I mean? Oh, we have right here, so. Look good now, man.
Father and son lifestyle in the place.
See it there?
Yeah, see it.
So it's all about a link up. We have father and
link up.
son lifestyle in the place. You know what I mean? Man clean, docked out on the seaside.
Every day we step out,
No
we
joke. You hear that the man say every time he step out, he clean.
Like subscribe and share, guys.
Figure that. So you can look in the description, you'll see him channel, father and son lifestyle channel. You can give him a subscribe, check out him content them, and you know the work go.
Realest know the realest, you know?
Figure that. So right now, this is a community called Old Harbour Bay, you understand? Right down at the fishing side of the village, and center camera right so you have the Cameron family ends, which part all of the good things them go on, you know what I mean? The food and beer things. So under there you have the Cameron family, them are going to dish up some stew, and it's gonna be beautiful. Alright, so I'm a general, one of my brother. Orient Freestyle Adventure. You know what I mean? If you don't know about that brother, you need to know about the youth. If you're either the dance hall, the party, all of them type of thing, the cooking and little bit of everything like that, Orient Freestyle and Adventure. See?
We just do the thing. We in the dance hall, the live shows. I mean, like, we just do everything. We travel. We just freestyle. So just go over and subscribe to the thing. And just stay real to the thing. Big up on yourself. I appreciate all of the viewers, all the subscribers, because without Uno, the channel is nothing. So just go and subscribe, big up on yourself, you know the vibes, freestyle. Kaboom.
That is it. Oh yeah man, see that the big man, you see him tall? Yeah, you see him big? Outside in Jamaica, New York a theme base. So if you know say there in a New York area, Bronx, all of them place there, Orient Freestyle. So right about now, make a show now. I mean say massive, it's just a vibe, it's just an energy. Hi pretty girl, I see you hiding over there. Big up yourself. So it's a vibe and it's an energy. And yeah, Cameron family HQ. Yeah. So look who we have here. No joke, no doubt. Introduce yourself.
Yeah man, JMAICA TV boss, you know, otherwise called Herald. Bless up on yourself guys, I'm telling you. Yeah man, one Jamaica walk by guys. Perseverance guys, skill, tactics, yeah man. This brother I'm tell you.
That is it.
Master in class, you know. Yes, guys, so I tell you, one and only man, Jamaica walk by. So guys, you check out JMAICA TV, you know. Yeah man, you saw I go on over there. Whole heap of adventure, cooking, excitement, fun and laughter, you know. Whole heap of things, guys. That is it.
Dream Island TV. So massive below you see him link in the description. And you see that handsome young man here?
Yeah.
You see? Very handsome young man.
Yeah.
I want to tell us, you see that beautiful sister right here, so
man.
look good.
Yeah, man, mother.
Massive.
Yeah, man.
Let me show her. See me zoom in there.
Yeah, man.
And wife.
Beautiful
lady. Yeah, talk to me.
Yeah. First, we go talk this one camera.
Yeah.
Yeah. When my mama even just get in, and one of my auntie come down from foreign and see her and introduce her. The first thing she said before she said anything, she said, boy, you know, say ugly, but you have taste. Watch you guys. So I said, no. Just,
yeah. Don't joke.
Jamaica,
yeah.
Bless up, guys.
Look for the man. See beautiful wife here.
Yeah,
yes.
Guys, I may I beg you please come over to Ivan and Witness Kitchen.
Yeah,
we do all different kind of stuff. So you can check out over there. We cook, we go on adventure. We do everything. We do karaoke, everything. So
that
you
is
can
it.
check out the channel.
Straight vibes and energy.
Yeah,
tell them me name my channel again.
Ivan and Witness Kitchen.
Ivan and Witness Kitchen. Massive, that will also be in the description too as well. Yeah. So you can click and go subscribe. See?
Yeah man, and with start to look one to with Liquor World.
With Liquor World.
Yeah,
with
so,
wits.
Yeah.
That
Liquor
is
World.
it.
So you can go over there and check her out. She's a brilliant young lady. Yeah. So check her out.
So now that you're subscribed to the channel, them she has mentioned, listen, we're there in the Cameron family HQ right now. I mean, I tell her, say, it's just crazy. I love the outdoor vibe, the look of rustic country style look, and believe me, I just a nice energy, and we could just meet the Cameron family right about.
You know what I mean? No joke, we can smell the aroma and all them things they start kicking. You understand? So, look good now, man.
Yeah, man, that is it, man.
Look good. So, this is the beautiful wife of the general. You understand? Queen Sheba to be specific. You know what I mean? Look good. So, massive, when we just reach, we realize she are the camera lady, and she always have the device. So when I watch the thing, them is supposed to see she a role. Most of the time, and it's not the ladies who have the cameras. You understand, to be honest? Always the man. Yeah. Alright, yeah, so. Cameron himself.
That's our motto.
Figure that.
The dream work. So once I see Cameron, you're going to see Queen Sheba. We do everything together. Everything.
Figure that.
And guys, remember, check out Cameron Family TV. Go over, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, leave a comment, and recommend the channel to your friends and family. We have a lot of great content where we do fishing, adventure, cooking, and you know, Cameron is a jack of all trades, so you'll see a little of that on the channel.
Jack of all trades.
The channel, definitely.
More things. So today we actually there link up and we say food and bathing. So right about now, massive, let me tell you what I go on. So we're there in the old Harbour Bay massive, and we link up with Cameron family. And we are going to do some seafood settings. So right away I say, no, I don't really know fish them good enough. So what kind of fish we have in our base?
Parrot.
Parrot.
Parrot and red breast parrot.
That is it.
We have lobster.
We have lobster. Oh, you want to dish up them lobster?
We have Escovitch lobster and Escovitch fish. And we have it with, you know, we have two roast breadfruit.
Yeah.
I mean, I talk about ripe, because I love ripe breadfruit.
Yeah, me love the ripe roast breadfruit too, you know. Ah, yeah.
Yeah, man.
We're going to do them roast fry.
Yeah, man, we have roast fried and breadfruit there with the Escovitch lobster. So,
Me never really tried the Escovitch. Like, look, usually, man, if I see anything, what they call like garlic, butter spice, are different.
No, different.
Ah.
Different thing. Yeah, man. This is how we are going to fry and we use the Escovitch. But we have a special sauce here at Cameron Family TV when nobody else not have.
You say, want to build that one there?
Yeah, we build that sauce there.
This is the Escovitch sauce.
And this is
Oyster sauce.
this so we use this for oyster. Whenever we eat oyster.
Yeah. No, oyster on the boat right now.
No, and that's why we want to go on the sea. We
Cha, cha,
can
no.
try go get the oyster.
Yeah.
Natural.
We are say.
If we're not up to it, we can go get oyster.
Yeah, man, me make sure I carry one shorts and one shirt just in case I have to go in the water, you know. We are say.
Can go look oyster.
How you mean? Me ready, man. Ready when I'm not ready. So, we are go. What say? No, I go back. You know, where's the orange and the boat thing?
I'm not going to see you, brother.
What you mean?
Brother.
So you eat seafood and no one go see?
I can't sing, bro.
We not left up on the land, you know. If we are go out there, we're not leaving up on the land. So watch we. Pot at and bathing. So meanwhile I put them in, I tell me one way I have in the pot there.
Alright, so we season the pot with garlic, and pepper and scallion. Yeah, so the oil have a little flavor,
flavor
right?
to it.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As many as I can smell the aroma from the garlic
so
and the
have
pepper
a
and
nice
everything
flavor.
we have in it.
You know?
Man.
Real deal.
Yeah, man. So that's how we do it, man. And all of this you see me do, with the seasoning of the oil, it's necessary. Yeah, great taste. And you know, see, like the garlic now when you burn it in the oil, it tenderize the fish and make it eat better. You have a better texture to it. And you cut out enough of the rawness out of the fish. So you actually eat fish and you don't know what's your fish. When you see by you don't know what's your fish, it's not raw. It's not raw bad. You know?
Man, makes so much sense.
Yeah, so the garlic is very important.
So me ask you, Cameron.
Yeah,
so how long now since you do this in the kitchen?
Alright, so me I cook for me 11-year-old. Yeah, and me a fishing. What me need to do is tell the people about my channel first. Where the channel consists of what kind of content we do. Yeah, on Cameron Family TV we do fishing because I'm a fisherman and a seafood chef also. So we do. Yeah man. One great fisherman. Yeah man. So we do on the channel we do contents where you guys never seen before. Net fishing, fish trap fishing, line fishing. You guys never ever see things like that before. So you need to go and check out Cameron Family TV. All of that, all of those contents. We show you how to build fish trap. We show you how we set the net, how we pull up the net, how we set the fish trap, and how we pull up the fish trap and all of that. How we get out the fish and the lobsters out of the trap and all of that. So my channel is like a whole university of fishing.
Figure that.
Yeah, man. So you learn a lot of things. And you know,
now people we see fish and even understand say you just throw fish in a pot and things, but you know on the fry.
Alright, so you look on the color of the fish. Yeah, and it all have to do with experience. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna look and you are gonna see round the side of the fish start have a different color from the burning of the oil. So that time you know say, you know, it's time to turn them or flip them. Alright, so the next way is the sound when you just put in the fish in the pot, it'll go sound loud. But when the fish ready to turn, it'll go
simmer down
and you'll go hear the sound get low, very low. That the time you know that the fish will go start burn instead of fry. So you need to turn them.
I mean, as a man now, me don't love my fish too dry. Me always like look juicy, you know what I mean?
Yeah man,
yeah.
man. So
like it juicy.
Yeah, when I burn fish. Yeah, cause when you burn the fish, instead of you eat fish, it will feel like you eat some burn up chips. If you burn them too much.
I see her,
yeah man.
She hold out the camera, video person, Lord Joe. Where's a bad chef to Cameron?
Yes.
Oh, you see how she answer? Yes!
Yeah. So all who follow the channel already know how she can cook. Yeah, she can cook very good. So we do a lot of cooking videos together on the channel. You know?
So tell me a little bit about the setup here. Me a pre this setup now. And it's not on a wood fire settings.
No.
And thing me see all the good gas pro over there say no gas pro no sponsor that video.
Yeah, man.
But they're not big up on themselves. But
yeah, man.
and me can see setup.
We have a cold stove them as well.
Yeah.
So we have.
Where's the when current gone?
Yeah. We have
When the gas done.
and we have a jerk pan as well over there.
You go jerk pan.
Yeah.
So let me ask. So is a place up in the business or just your channel?
Just me and me subscribe to them.
Yeah.
Alright, so the idea of the whole HQ thing, you know, we start a channel where we are do catch, cook and clean, or catch, clean and cook seafood. So we find out so we have a lot of subscribers that call in and ask how them can come and dine or how them can come and have some seafood, some cooked seafood. So we kind of get the idea, me and Queen Shiva sit down and we say, alright, we are going to prepare a place where the guests them can come and dine. You know?
Man.
So instead of out there so cook on the sand or cook on the seafront, you know, the dirt and all of that, we build up that little place here to accommodate the guests them.
Nice.
You know, so when they come, they can actually sit down under the cool shade with the nice cool sea breeze and you know, enjoy their meal.
That is
Yeah,
it.
so the whole HQ idea is all about for we guest them. And
Figure
we
that.
subscriber them. Yeah, you
Yeah,
call in and you know, we prepare your food and we try to make the place as nice as possible but not too
And
fancy.
clean.
Yeah, nice and clean.
Yeah, man.
But
Yeah.
not too fancy.
Yeah. Because you want to get the right
You wanna get the
outdoor
authentic.
experience.
Yeah.
That country style, that's the word.
Yeah.
The country style settings
And
there.
at the same time I want to keep it on a level.
Yeah.
Not too much of the outdoor thing.
That
But, you
is
know,
it.
we balance it between
Yeah.
outdoor and indoor.
Yeah, me love the camp vibe, the nice camp vibe, cause me see you got some Jamaican type of color in the roof and thing.
Yeah, man.
Round so look like you have a nice little bar where you set up and sit.
We drinks in our fridge.
Yeah.
Just to see them,
So like you have a red stripe in there. Put a red stripe on the table there. Let's see what go on in the fridge.
Check in, man. We have red stripe for days.
Oh my God! So inside of the fridge, massive. So if you're watching now and you want to link them up, you can link them up and get a vibe, man. Listen. So, oh Lord, red stripe,
Everything.
red stripe.
Just bust on the
Yeah, look good now, man. So weirdo. So people can link and like book your prior to thing and say you want to cook some fish and drink some juice and.
How we do the seafood by the pound.
Yeah, so right I know you say price is a whole lot, you know, so talk to me about price. But I know Elsha Beach price.
No.
Oh, good, thank God.
So-
Hurry and we safe. Yeah, we safe then. Yeah.
Like when me go Elsha more
Yeah,
time,
man.
you know.
Respect,
I have to
brother.
send a local go order them because you see if me go
Yeah,
order
man.
Yeah.
Trouble.
Price.
Brother, me no eat a Elsha. I'm sorry.
Alright,
you
what
wear
we
some?
do?
Are you wear
What we do
some?
for be transparent
Yeah.
and to make everybody understand. We have different prices. So we have group prices, which is if you have a group of 5 or more person.
Right.
We do the fish and the lobster to like 2,500 Jamaican dollars per pound.
Per pound.
Yeah. So yeah, man,
Camera, me not going in. That sound like you. I buy
get the
fish
size
right off I seaside.
the size.
And you get the fry and look after.
Yeah, I may catch them.
He got that.
Yeah, and the lobster I may catch them.
You know what? I buy
So-
fish for 2,000 a pound.
I may do it for like for groups, for person maximum like five and over. It's 2,500 per pound. And below that is 3,000 per
3,000.
pound. And you get the sides, you get breadfruit, bami festival.
All in
The
night.
3 of them, you get the 3 of them.
So which day you have available for this a week, you know? Cause
Alright,
me feel
so-
like me that carry the farm come here, come.
Yeah,
Road
man,
up.
so you pick the date.
Me pick the date.
You pick the date, or my subscriber then pick the date, or my supporters then pick the date, and me adjust. So I just need only 2 days in advance.
Just 2 days.
2 days notice.
Alright, so like for
Man.
example with me, you know, right? When I reach out to you, I'm have to salute you for that. You already have plans to go and see and do your business
Man.
and everything.
Yeah, man, everything.
And when I reach out to Cameron,
10 after 10 last night.
after 10 last, I wake him up. He was actually sleeping.
Man.
And him cancel him plan
Yeah, man.
just to accommodate me. And
Yeah,
bro,
man.
I just want you to know that you're my
Yeah, man, respect you too, man.
Man.
Respect you too,
Yo,
brother.
just-
And in general, me well
Ah,
want meet him. And you know,
See there?
me have to cancel when me have to.
Man,
Me cancel.
man,
Man, I
man,
respect,
man.
man. I'm massive. I write and I hold up a tone in there. I mean, I hold up, man. I when I get the link up, you know. It's like so much
no.
things have been happening. But I may say, see there?
Yeah, man.
I just saw it to go right as
before
well.
time.
Got on time.
Yeah, man. Not before time.
No
brother.
joke. No
Not
doubt.
before time.
So massive look good. So
Yeah, man.
we get a cool red stripe. The red stripe are well cool
Yeah,
and
man.
thing, you know what I mean?
Fish before them.
And
Alright,
thing.
so-
Oh yes, the fish. So we want to catch. Yeah, look good. Yeah, man. See him here. So you hear how they simmer right down and think, we don't want them burn up, you know.
Then get silent.
Yeah, then get silent. So you could say, right.
We don't want them burn more than that.
Real deal. That is it. Keep them nice and colorful, nice and lovely.
No burn pig.
I get no better than this, massive.
Yeah, man. I mean, I tell you,
No better than this.
when you taste it, I tell you, it's a different thing from where you used to.
So you season the fish differently, right?
Yeah, man.
Where you put in your fish when you season?
Alright, so we only use the Maggi chicken season. A lot of persons use black pepper and salt, which black pepper and salt is inexpensive.
Yeah.
So they tend to stick to black pepper and salt. But black pepper and salt, brother, can't season fish. Yeah, man, you need flavor in your fish.
Flavor, exactly.
Yeah, so we spend the money on the good season.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah, we ain't dance and blast it in. I want to
Yeah,
baddest
man.
thing out there.
That
Look
is it,
good.
man.
Yeah.
Okay.
So no joke, no doubt.
On the fine camera and TV.
Yeah, man.
Fine camera and TV on the right.
Red stripe.
We are from one Maggie thing. We not get paid promotion, but we use it every time. Yeah. That's the only thing we use. And we use, it's so funny. We use chicken season upon lobster, chicken season upon shrimp, chicken season upon fish, chicken season upon conch. You know?
And it does work.
And it work, brother.
Yeah.
It work. Father and son can testify. Yeah, and Orient can testify.
Yeah, man, we eat the food all the while.
Everything.
It's nice.
Callaloo,
You know you have
cabbage.
the all-purpose and the fish, but you only use the chicken.
Yeah, man.
Me love the all-purpose too.
Yeah.
But so massive as you can look. So this is what the fish look like when they actually turn. That nice golden looking thing. The aroma, the scent is just beautiful. I am hungry right now.
And the lobster then now.
You understand? So catch what he's doing with the lobster.
Yeah, we are going to season the lobster
Nice
then.
and
So,
tasty.
what we are going to do, why me I set them out like this? We are going to just hold the buckle and spread the season over them. So we want them together. Just like that, you know? Just like that. Just like that. Yeah, man. That is it, man.
So just get a little sprinkle.
Yeah, not too much. And we are going to use the sauce with it.
This is the oyster sauce.
Yeah, this is the sauce we use for ice. And we can actually let out some of the ingredients. Like, you know, because we're not all for ourselves.
Yeah, that persons would like we have an
yeah.
idea what is
yeah,
inside.
if you want to try it at home. So inside of this we have some natural ground season, which is onion, pepper, we have bell pepper, which is the sweet pepper, we have pimento, the regular Scotch bonnet pepper, yeah, and we have a little bit of thyme inside that. So the magic to it now is the honey.
Honey.
Yeah, we add honey and sugar.
Man.
So, you know, a lot of people say why we add honey and sugar. Honey and sugar have two different flavors.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, a lot of times we add honey and sugar to we food them and people say, that sounds crazy. In the comment section, but them not understand honey and sugar have two different flavors. Yeah.
Man.
So, and the pimento is another thing when need to go in there.
But anytime somebody tell you about the honey and sugar, you just talk like my boy. Any food are food. Any food are food.
Yeah, man. Alright, here we have escovitch sauce. So this way we sprinkle this on the fried fish. A lot of people know this. You know, because this they're everywhere.
Yeah, well, vinegar and thing and pepper and them things that all
Carrot,
works.
pepper, onion. Yeah, colorful.
Man.
Yeah, man. So we're gonna make a taste. This is a whole different.
Let me tell you something.
Alright, yeah.
Give me a look at tubs. Let me see. Yeah, so okay, we're going to try the Mr. Man, I love eating the oysters. Friend, you just cut it, give me the sauce, and me just dash it. Let me taste it.
I know, sir, one time I try oysters.
Yeah, man.
Let me taste it again, because I want to just spice up the mouth.
Yeah, man. Nice.
I ain't nobody give me that little tubs again, man.
Camera.
Yeah, because it's a little tubs in chewing, and now we can't get it. So massive, it has that taste, which is, it is very spicy.
Yo.
Yeah, man.
You understand? It is very spicy, you have a little bit of
Whatever
sweetness to it.
Yeah, man.
Yo, the flavor, bro.
We have one customer use it for everything, rice, everything. When you buy everything.
Yeah, man.
Yo, it tastes beautiful.
Jam and bread and enjoy it.
It is beautiful.
So what I want to do, the sauce, yeah, I want kind of make the sauce, buckle it and label it with my label. Yeah, and try to sell it overseas,
Bro,
local
it tastes
and
good.
international. Yeah, man.
This is super good.
Yeah, man.
Hey, you ready? Fish get silent again.
Yeah.
That is it.
So then kind of soon ready. Then
Soon ready.
silent, that's it.
Yeah.
You know, that be my experience, my ears kind of get used to it. So,
That is it. So right now, so we have a lobster over here, so you just put the seasoning on there. And then there's a right now a simmer down. You know, we are natural. Sometimes a little bit of flies want to come across, but at Jamaica, you understand, we get rid of them and we move on.
Yeah, so it's now time to get the rest of the seafood, them season up and bubble down for the pot. You understand, the aroma in the kitchen is just excellent. As you can see with us there, I'm going to wait and you don't know my hungry turn up. Hurrying over here, sabi it a red stripe. And right about now, we are get the white heart breadfruit them peel and ready for fry. Because a white heart is not like a yellow heart. So once a white heart, we prefer them fry. You see it, as you can see, the fish them golden fry up and thing. We have some other things where we are going to put in at the pot, as you see, other pot start hot. We'll put some oil in it and get some festival on the way and just get the kitchen going after a wicked start.
I'm in there yet, but the pot are going hot.
Some festival in this.
Oh, festival.
Fish ready. We have a fried breadfruit and festival so that we can share the fish.
Yeah,
So
while the lobster.
oh, so now at the pot first?
we're in the aisle.
Oh, okay. Because me not really at the Gina kitchen, you know, so me always ask the question when me see them, you know.
I can show.
No joke, no doubt.
Okay, Cameron, you know more you do. Fry the fish and the lobster.
And then we have to.
Now man, fry the fish and the lobster, see? And then you're going to put everything on your table. Whatever you can, you know, make a video or a picture of the fish and the lobster same time.
Yeah, man. So we are going.
Yeah man, just do everything and just spread them up on the table.
Yeah, man, no
We are
joke.
going to feel like a.
Yeah,
No,
no
each one
joke.
time meantime still, don't
Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Roast breadfruit.
Nice.
Yeah man, just do
I cut it
everything
up.
on time and then we just
Yeah,
eat.
man. I cut him
So
up.
if you don't know roast breadfruit, look what it looks like when it cut.
Yeah, man. See that?
So you get the nice fit or the turned breadfruit and you roast it.
Real authentic Jamaican breadfruit.
That is it, man. See that?
You want breadfruit?
It
You
ain't
want
kinda.
breadfruit?
You see,
Sir
it
fry,
kinda-
who's
You look
sir
like a
fry?
white heart
Is
this.
it? Yeah, man. I'm a white heart. Yeah, man. So,
After like a white heart you have to go fry that because
yeah, we have to go fry him.
white heart is not really the best.
Hear the
breadfruit.
watchy man.
Yeah, you know what I go on.
They say love the yellow heart.
Yellow heart. Eat that with nothing at all, brethren.
Oh gosh.
Sprinkle a salt on it and you're good.
Yeah, man.
Man.
You see if all the yellow heart go ripe.
Really yellow heart, man.
And you,
Portland and St. Elizabeth.
you know what I go on, brethren.
We have to have
Portland breadfruit
Portland and St.
different.
Elizabeth.
You know what? No meat.
That's one
no
little piece
just-
of butter.
Oh my
Oh.
God.
A little bit of oil. So me did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And
So-
you're good.
We dice up the breadfruits them in a them type of size here. So you know the oil can pass through it properly and fry it nice.
Yeah, we
and
can
thick.
go to Portland.
Yeah, man. So you soak your breadfruit them in a salt water too?
No, we just
No.
Sprinkle a salt
sprinkle
on
like a
it.
salt pan and eat that.
That is it.
As the people actually say them like,
Yeah, man, that's how me fry it, man. We peel them like that and put them in a salt water.
I want to tell you
year
say
down
I
there.
coconut juice I can put the breadfruit
Cook,
in.
see?
at the first me hear
Yeah,
this.
man, that's how me do it, man.
Yeah,
And
man.
then you have to sprinkle a salt on it and put it in the oil and
If you ever
fry.
make it salt water, the salt water itself,
I saw it make
and just
it
peel them and throw them in it.
Yeah.
And make it go and simmer a little, and then I take them out of the water and put it right in the pot. Oh God, man. Soft and nice.
You ever try that way?
Yeah, man, that's how me do it, man.
You live and you learn, cause at the first me I hear this I wanna.
First,
Yeah,
you know
man.
one
I
there.
never know say you could have actually
Boozy.
soak the breadfruit in the salt
Oh,
water and
Lord,
fry
man.
it.
Right.
Or soak the coconut water.
Yeah.
Coconut juice, the milk water.
First, I hear that, brother.
It mad, brother. So see, dice them up.
Alright, here fish.
Silent.
Silent. You know say a bunny must start bun.
Silent.
I we don't want that. No want no burning.
I must say, we see a man fry fish with pot when I have non-stick.
Yeah, man.
They use so no non-stick, you know. And see it there? Look how fish are come out.
Yeah, man.
Slide off a pot. See like that?
Beautiful, man.
Nice.
So we are going to do now, we are clean out all of them things out of the pot. We don't want them things to go up on the lobster meat. All of them sitting here. We take them out of the pot.
Yeah.
Clean up the pot again. Start frying the
Mad.
lobster.
So we there talk about the boat now and plane. So Orion have sitting for say.
Here we go on now. As for me, as a content creator, there are so many places I want to go. There are so many places. Every day my wife in my skin. Let's go to Dubai. From New York to Dubai is about 16 minutes or more hour flight. God go with her.
16 hours.
You're right. God go with her. So me know who now sit down on the plane for so long. Then people always ask me, why you always go to Jamaica and you can fly go all over the world? The thing is that from New York to Jamaica is like 3 hours and 15 minutes, 3 hours and 30 minutes. You understand?
Yeah.
And that is still a long flight to me. Me not feel good on a Jamaica flight until the pilot said we're 20 minutes from descending into Kingston, Jamaica. and that 20 minutes become the longest part of the flight, bro, because I just can't wait for the 20 minutes come and them go down on the ground and I start clap me on. Typical Jamaica.
Yes, I want to clap for them.
Hold on. And next thing we fly, Zane, me fly from New York to Mexico, Zane. But me now always like a Jamaica, so I know the routine with Jamaica. When me reach a Mexico and the man land, I wait for the clap. I love that you don't clap.
So you don't start. Me don't start.
So the clapping thing is a Jamaican thing, brother. It's only Jamaican that want to clap, Bridget.
And that man, we are just happy to be back.
And we're godly people. So once we touch down, we have to give thanks. Father God, thank God we land safe. And you know what I mean? But me go Mexico, I don't see that happen. I don't see that clapping. I don't see that thank God we reach or nothing like that. I mean, like, it's just different. But when it comes on to our people, as much as them say all kind of things about us, we're godly people.
Chocho.
Come on to that.
Well said, bye-bye. Bye, bye.
So as the kitchen ablaze and thing, I see the gentleman here over here so I deal with him craft the right way. As him tell me, say him just a work on a fishing net to go out there to get him livelihood for him family. So as you can see, the lobster them are getting ready and the fish them done already. I mean, I tell you, listen, I love the fish them when they have this golden, nice, cool, clean color. Because me personally, I like my fish them too dry. So I make sure I tell Cameron, say Cameron just ease off of the treadle and make them just go and simmer right there. So you see me, I say. So yeah, no joke, no doubt. So the lobster them almost finished. We have a few other things to go with that. You don't know the roast breadfruit. Well, usually we just say the roast fried breadfruit, but you don't know, as you can see, a white hard breadfruit. So we are gonna love them roast and fry. You see me, I say no joke, no doubt. It's just a vibe. The kitchen is just lit. The aroma is just beautiful.
Festival though. Yeah man, long time let them go on.
So meanwhile the lobster them a fry and the breadfruit them a fry with little of the fish flavor in the same island thing. Orion just could not contain himself much talking about how the aroma and the food look and crazy thing. Him just couldn't hold it back for say, yo, massive. Him can't wait for sample them lobster and deal with them fish himself.
This couldn't happen without the boss over here, so Cameron TV himself.
Yeah man, so check out my channel guys. Cameron Family TV. Check over there and check out the channel.
See?
Yeah, go and do the thing man.
And the general himself over here, so Jamaica walk by.
You figure that?
The man who walk by all over Jamaica. I don't know how him do it.
7 hours.
I don't know how him do
Then when
it.
I start walk.
7 hours.
Hey, my uncle just remind me about one video where you doing, I say, yo, maybe you know, say, man walk from half a tree, straight to Hillfoot, ready to road.
Yeah, man. I walk from 6 miles off a tree to
From 6 miles off a tree?
and 3 miles to downtown.
3 miles to downtown.
3 miles to downtown. Yeah, man, don't joke.
Father and son, they are so
Regular.
One father and son lifestyle.
So bless up to father and son. We actually stay tuned with us and just make this video be one nice vibe, nice energy, and everything just did a run smooth. As the fish them are fry, you don't know we are make sure so we are prepare ourselves and I get our belly all empty and ready for them fried breadfruit yeah, and them parrot fish yeah, with them lobster yeah, and you don't know so it's just gonna be crazy. Big up to Cameron family and wife. You don't know it's just great. We just did the kitchen wicked food ready and we are prepared ourselves to go eat right now.
So it's all about the vibe where you call this party, you know. When all of the thing them done fry, all the thing them done prepare. You understand? We have the fish them over here. You see parrot them?
Yeah man.
So we have the parrot. Yeah. We have some lobster over here, so look good massive. So Cameron, no joke. Cameron Family TV.
Yeah man, check out the channel guys. If you want to see more of this, yeah, we have a lot of these videos on the channel. So if you want to learn how to do the different types of seafood, just go over there and check them out. Cameron Family TV.
That is
yeah
it.
man, bless up man.
See how the roast breadfruit them done fry.
Roast fry, and then we have some festival right here also.
Festival right here, so yeah man. Yeah. So massive, you can definitely try that spot here if you don't want to go to Elsha Beach, because even though a name, yeah, but right here so If you want sweet food and better bargain, straight off the bat, right here, so. You understand? I remember correct myself. Sweeter food and better bargain. Look good. See? Right over here, so. All over beer. Let's link up Cameron family. Where they are?
Yeah, the man I put out the sauce for the fish and my mouth.
Yes, man. Me I tell you, say, me there I go and count the fish them.
Yeah, man.
I see what I go on.
Bro, yo.
Yeah,
man.
So that piece you drop off, you get it.
Piece of carrot. Outside. No, more like inside.
Inside.
Yeah,
Alright,
man.
put them out on the table.
Let's go.
So trust me, preparation of the food, down to the presentation, the scent, everything was just perfect right now. Cameron family, trust me, you did a great job preparing this food. And me I tell you, me just can't wait to deal with my food the right way. You don't know about 3 lobster, about 3 fish. You don't know about 6 festival, and about 10 pieces of the fried breadfruit. Yeah, I'm a good, no joke.
That's what we're talking about.
So yeah, massive, me I tell you, say, right now, me not even want me have to make the camera way up in my face, because I can't make you see how the belly look. You understand? The belly look away right now. Because God know. But just eat like me alone the food there for. I don't know my style. If you don't want to see some of the things that me have, you have to check out Orient Freestyle Adventure channel. Or you check out Cameron Family TV channel if you see some of the things them. Because boy, I can't work a camera anytime I eat them food already. I just have to just go along. You understand? But you know when I want the more endorse and blast the general that will give me that chain, you know what I mean? Down at Dembe, you know what I mean? Big up to my subscriber who bless me up with that chain. I really like it. I put it on this morning and I said, no, sir, this can be a part of the beat and I like it. You understand? So the lobster was amazing. The fish, oh God, the festival, the breadfruit and thing was just delicious. And I'm not making this up, bro. You know me is a lover of food and I love food when time food prepared nice and thing. You see the process of it being prepared and up on the table and all of the good stuff, and we have beat up some food. So it was just great, and it was a great vibe at the camera from the edge right here in Old Abbey. You can definitely link them up on it. So yeah, we're gonna go up on the boat a little bit and we're gonna go up on the island, go see what's going on over there. And where's the oysters?
Yeah man, I'll get some fresh oysters.
That is it, we'll see if we can do that. So stay tuned, massive. We're not done yet. Let's do this now, man. Look good.
Yeah, man. And remember, check out Cameron Family TV, guys. Yeah, man. Go over there and check me out. One great fisherman. That is it.
Oh, the funny boat.
I'm a very adventurous youth, but me just never get the chance to go over by Goat Island. Goat Island is located just off the shore of Jamaica, and it's just closer to the Old Abbey side. So let's go by Goat Island and check out what it looks like.
Yeah, so we're getting prepared now for take on the boat ride, go over Goat Island. As you can see, center camera, I'm trying to zoom a little bit. That is Goat Island, right? That's all. Ready, man? You mad, Mr. Adventure man. Boring. You say now the shots, you go roll up pants. That is it. So, see what go on a massive. Hold up a beer and we'll go cross. I'll catch some oysters and thing and yeah, beer thing. Water warm and nice. Why best place to keep the camera there and things like that. Yeah, man, that's why. Take them from me. Them and me. Put you over. Put you over. Now just hold the control first. Hold the control. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's our case. You can put them there in. So yeah. So yeah. And it's a vibe. Let's go. This is our vessel. I touch sea. Come in, hurry and jump up in our boat. What a warm, brother. You want him on the whole hand? Are you afraid?
Yeah, man. That's it, man. Okay, go in for a ride.
Watch him on, man. Watch him on, watch him on. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Yeah, watch out, guys. You want to go steady. Yeah, man, one walk by now. Watch him on, man.
Turn your face.
What's up?
Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah.
So guys,
Yeah, it's on fire.
So, walk by a come up to the boat, you know.
Just like that, you see it?
Yo. Bro. Look up on the bigger boats, you know what I mean? So they might try to pull the anchor now massive. This is basically how it works. So it now come up. I reach it then. Bro.
You say deep?
Bro. Bro.
We take a funny road. Outside.
Outside. Cameraman said, what you gonna see, you know, so what you see you go.
You can't hear say you're afraid for sure, you know. Yeah, man, it's a fire. Fast, I go quicker reach. Outside, man.
Like me, I tell them a while ago. I'm on a boat there. See the guys? Yeah, man.
Jump up and come up here, you know.
When there?
So, freestyle, so we reach on pirate ship here.
I'm big boat, this is the. And if I started there, look like it good enough. See, started there.
Right, you're good, brother?
Yeah.
Yo, bro.
That's a vibe, you know?
The man said crooks out here, brother.
You might check out Cameron Family
Mad.
TV.
Brother.
Mad.
Check out
This is superb.
Cameron.
Guys, look
Yeah,
at
boy,
this.
I want to flick up myself, brother.
Father and son and walk
Cameron.
By TV.
and walk.
What? Bye.
Yeah, Jamaica walk. Bye.
Yeah, man.
Hear that?
We are going there, right? Yeah, man.
What you mean, man? One at this. At them thing I will like, so we are going up in a yes, guys.
Oh, fuck, no, this is ridiculous.
No, people, no.
This is ridiculous. This is
Bumper
ridiculous.
Cameron.
Cameron, what you do?
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Cameron. Yeah. Cameron.
Right now.
Cameron, we ready, brother?
Yeah, man.
Cameron.
Yeah.
Cameron, yeah.
Oh, so I'm baby one day.
Oh, the bomb.
Stop the man.
You're the man.
Yo. Cameron.
No, so
Yeah.
let's go now.
What them there?
All right.
They're
first
up on the
one,
limb right
take
there,
the
sir.
stuff.
Make I start them stay to next time, brother.
Yeah,
First
man.
one, take them off and let's go.
I will just reach.
Cameron, make I start them stay to next
I
time.
am
brother.
so ready to
Yo, they're free. Watch us stick here, yeah?
Ah,
Watch the
my
stick,
God.
Cameron,
Watch
the
the stick, watch the stick.
Yeah, man, it's good, man.
Oh, mercy.
And that him I use stop a boat. I anchor.
Presto.
See, man, no fe. Pilot
What's
this a
a
boat.
ball, guys? What's
No,
a
it's a tilt too
ball?
much. It's a tilt too
Bro.
much. Oh my freaking gosh.
Yeah, right now I'm ready for work.
I'm stressed out.
See how some
Me
sea
stressed out. No,
crab.
you lean it to the side there too
Yeah,
much. Boy.
Right now, me, I got to take the adventures off of my channel. Hurry and freestyle, but now with the adventures. The adventures are
Oh my God.
Ready, man.
I'm stressed out. If I tell nobody, I'm gonna stress out.
Why?
Like.
I don't know how you.
So I want to stop here so far. I'm not
See,
going to
I stands enough.
See them?
Oh, so where the pan
Straight
on
pan,
limb?
yeah.
We came
Yeah.
to get.
Then
Hey,
sharp
we can't
enough.
get enough of this.
Yeah.
I love ice
Yeah, man, you can't get one.
Man.
I'll stick one.
Now watch that, man.
Oh, so then they just depends on limb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are trying to get some ice stars.
Oh my God.
But are you put them there, or you just most of them in there?
So them, bro?
Yeah.
I'm a yesterday I eat what you put China.
You probably first man see at the actual ice stars or them catch them.
Yeah, me
And
too.
as you can see, the man pick them off. Yo, camera.
Let me see. Let me get it.
Mad.
It can't
Them
be
live?
done, right?
No, you can't do that, man.
Yeah, man, they're live.
Yo.
Okay, this is the oysters, and that's how they get them off these trees. Apart.
One get some
Mangrove.
good
You
size.
know the mangrove, you know?
Mangrove.
Big
You
one.
know the mangrove, just of them there.
Right, you know, say crocodile. Look at that.
Yeah. Me no dey in the mangrove, you know, but I in the mangrove. Them thing I
Yeah.
grow still.
So we just open them.
Oh, just.
And throw a sauce in it. But you don't know what? We left the sauce. So we don't go back.
Yeah, man, we can beat them when we go back,
You
man.
can beat them, yeah, you can beat
That's
them.
fine. We don't have to have it now.
We are get more, you know. Because this is a couple this. I'm not alright with that.
No, man, a little
No,
bit
no,
this
no.
one.
We want more. I love
You know, you see, I
ice.
said she wants some, but
Get some big one too, if you can see a bigger one.
Right, that's one.
Oh, man, wait.
you have to hold on your head, you know, you have to hold on your head, you know.
But my afraid still.
What we have to go through it?
Just hold on your head.
Watch your head. Watch your head, man.
Afraid. Just watch your head. Oh my gosh.
Brother, make sure say that adventure they come off for your channel name. Orient Freestyle now. I first adventure man missing an adventurous. Oh! Oh!
Yeah. I best black this.
You can't hear Orient Freestyle Adventure.
Man, a ball,
And
guy.
nothing about adventure on the pioneer.
Hey, I freestyle alone the man for them, yeah, man.
What we do, we just get a couple of the other one then. Hold on there. Yeah, man, my officer me reach for the island.
Yeah.
Me have to for a boat. Massive, me not there Jamaica. Me not there Jamaica again.
How are you?
Me not see this a place upon Jamaica map.
Alright.
So, me there in the Caribbean.
Yeah.
See the massive logo, that right now in Caribbean, me not there Jamaica. With the goat island. See there?
The first GoPro I have, over there some drop out of the boat. Fall and jump off on one side and one youth drop off and just jam me over.
Yeah.
I drop from back over there. And the water might look shallow enough, but we can take it.
See there, goat island today.
We up under your neck.
I see boat they good. So, me not there Jamaica you know.
So guys,
So I go on the island.
I can't believe this. We have Orient in a boat. Man.
A ball.
So after today, I'm not afraid of no boat again.
You can't afraid again.
I'm not afraid about. You see everything good. Man, I sweat. Man, I sweat. I don't have a fret about.
I don't look at boss alive, I know.
I'll go on the island around there, so. Where army base.
Watch a pretty bird, watch a bird.
Pretty. Tell me if I cry, me I cry.
Over here say US army base in there.
Eh?
Yeah, me I came on the right on the base. The concrete there.
Yeah,
Right on the
massive.
runway.
So right now, me a go back on a ship.
What do you mean?
Fi go back, go on another spot. A goat island.
Guys, this time I'm not walking, you know. I sail him, I sail.
Jamaica climb, Jamaica climb.
I climb back, I know.
What do you mean?
I saw me get big in a YouTube. Me I go just a beer channel. Jamaica drive by, Jamaica fly by.
No, we're not record the drive by, no.
Drive by danger.
Nah, record the drive by thing.
Drive by, I go dangerous, brother. Come up here, man.
Yeah, man, come
Brother.
I want Rocky. Yeah, that's how to rock the boat. Yeah, massive, it's a vibe.
Why? You do too much, you know. Come get us. Come.
Yeah. Bro, me tell you something. You only can live once, you think a game.
Yeah.
So you have to make sure you enjoy the life. Hey, that's what I'm telling you. When I go in a slingshot of fire and people say, they say, yo, some things you can't do only once. Come, me not go back on
No,
it.
I'm going to Ragamuffin down at where place the name?
Ragamuffin, Blue
Mystic
Mountain.
Mountain.
Mystic Mountain,
Brother,
yeah.
me not go back in that as long as me live. Me nearly dead.
Yo, just right there, me go.
Alright, gas up again.
That's the one ride me not go on, brother.
Eh.
Why you have to come back with us, brother? You can't drive with us, brother. Man can't
Can't drive, that's the one.
Orient, this is a y'all alone ball. Adventure man.
Orient, I mean, a sheep alone come from them adventure. When we're ready, we just put food in our boat.
I love them stuff here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright guys, like and share.
Right, this is crocodile in lie down. Right,
What does that mean there?
yeah.
Man.
When falls him up on him.
Wanna mind see him.
Man, you know what time me and Shiba go hunt them and can't find them.
Okay, so I say, why she back that boat? Where she back up?
Yeah, man, I know them place that we come on. So I have some place where long, and you drive you can't reach it end.
Yeah.
I
Why
have-
next time we come here, no matter.
Fishing line up and come out there.
We have some other content when we normally come and pull up fish trap. Because we have fish trap around here. Pull up fish trap and carry catch go cook on the land.
Man.
Yeah, man. We are going to do some of them content then. We have Jamaica walk by, we have the Jamaica boat by. I hear me.
Nice.
That's the way you go. Come this way, we go on the army base.
Man.
So big up, man. Big up everyone. Thanks for tuning in. And you know, please check out my channel, Cameron Family TV. Out here without fear. Yeah, man. That's how we always say, guys. Out here without fear. Unlike Orient.
Bro, the first time I go on one boat and yo, this feel like it feels good for the feel. I don't know if you can't explain the feelings, bro, but I just want to go back land.
We are going to land now, sis.
There goes the captain speaking. Stress cars that here! Yes, sir! Man! Brother, me tell you say some things you just have to try that. Bro. I don't know say you do it, you know?
No.
Yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, man. So we are pull up push by the army base used today. Oh yeah?
Big runway where in America they use that stuff. In a World War.
Caution, alright.
Coming out.
Alright.
In a World War II.
Me glad them have the sign. Me not come off for this.
Caution.
Me glad them have the sign. Me not come off for this.
The time they have just to keep off people off my head.
Yeah man, it keep me off.
I look like we can handle some fish, watch out.
It's just like Jamaica.
Bro.
Caution, crocodile, rocky up on the land.
No, man, rocky up on the land so we can come off, man. Yo, after this, you know?
You ready, Orion?
Now I'm up by Goat Island.
Hey, no, someone bring my shoes.
You don't bring your shoes?
No?
No bring your shoes here.
Come off and feel though, not step toward.
Yo, you don't see the sign here?
Goat Island. So we are over by Goat Island now, where they say the Marines used to have a base. Let's just check it out. Alright, enough, come. Forward, man. You see that? Concrete up and everything. Mad. Jaja. I wonder why there's so much bottle and thing broke up over here. Mad.
Yeah, watch your barefoot. Oh, so there's a drill. I think there's any alligator. Wow. I really didn't know that this place existed. Wow. Look at this. And I say over here used to be a base, as I can see. It's on the concrete on the ground and thing. Something really highly. Wow. Never time to say about crocodile. So,
100 year US lease this on Jamaica.
100 year.
1939 till 2039.
Mm.
Yeah, lease a 100 year. So I pay a plane used to land for you, so.
Yeah.
You can see it, man.
So why Jamaica paint up and use it?
But you don't know.
Yeah, this supposed to can use.
But over there, so you have one trail.
Mm.
I gone way up, and the forest you can walk a concrete.
Concrete, just like this.
Yeah, and around the building then the foundation them people building them hospital and the little barrack them where soldier then
Use.
and all that kind of thing.
And Goat Island. First me I know this.
So yeah, man. So yeah, so we can
Well, we know it long time.
Yeah.
So we can the first
We carry them come here,
yeah,
so.
we can guess them come here, so come keep party. Come keep party and cook for them and all that kind of thing.
I come camp out.
Yeah,
Man.
man. If you want camp out, you can carry a tent them come here, so.
Yeah, cause right that's so cool and nice.
Nice, eh?
Me carry a couple people come over here already, come left them, you know, for 2 days.
2 days.
They have 4 tents. I think 6 people.
And then I see one crocodile.
4 tents. No man, you not see no crocodile, man. I don't like what people talk about, man.
That me say
And
too.
the sign I'm going to alert us a crocodile might be in our area.
Yeah.
So,
Nice.
1939.
Beautiful. Love it. Man. Mad massive. No joke. So yeah, just arrived on the island again on the other side. As you can see, crazy shells on the ground. It's like the whole sand here, so it's made up of shells, as far as you can see, you know. And we're just chilling, enjoying the beauty of the Caribbean, because Jamaica is over there and we're over in the Caribbean right now, which is an island called Goat Island. So as you can see over there, we're looking at Jamaica. Jamaica is right over there, and we are over in the Caribbean now, like your Bahamas and all them places. We are at an island called Goat Island. You know what I mean? What's your YouTube channel again?
I don't have a YouTube.
You don't have a YouTube? Oh, I swear you have a channel where you have vlog.
I'm shy.
Oh, whoa. Alright then. A mad thing. Yeah. So massive, we're outside without fear. So, look good. Right on the island. Wow. So the base that you saw, it actually look like you run come straight here, because you can see, like, you know, where so the water actually beat down some portion of it, but the concrete is above it and thing. As you can see, beautiful, very nice. The water warm water, warm and nice. Yeah. Goat Island. Shell them pretty. Real white sand. Mad. Yeah, me definitely I go do a camp for this.
70 youth that I will never forget. Just the whole
for them birthday party and we carry them. So all of them video on the channel.
Super nice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So guys, check out my channel. Check out Cameron Family TV for a whole lot of these contents, because this is what we do on the channel. Fishing, camping, hiking, exploring out on the sea. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself every time. I respect again, General.
Yeah,
Jamaica walk by. Respect every time.
Outside.
Come out and, you know, have this great link up. Orient freestyle, big up yourself as well. Yeah, man, respect, man.
Link up and make you know say yo, check in.
Yeah, tell you say food sweet, boy. Nah, like.
Food.
What?
So Rasta say.
Me have my box.
First me I eat lobster.
In the meantime, in between time, I'm gonna just run over Orient Freestyle Adventures and just subscribe. I mean, like, my response for the tri-state, when you come on to all the entertainment event, live concert, travel vlogs, I take you to the resorts, I take you to all over. We just freestyle, we cook, we do everything. So just come over and subscribe and just vibe with me. All of the main event in New York, I am the man for them. And not only New York, because so we fly down for Jug It and best weekend ever. And then we fly down for St. Mary we come from. So we are cover the globe. Our next stop, our next major stop is going to be Brazil Carnival. That is going to be epic. And then after that we're going to Trinidad for Trinidad Carnival. So it's at 4. We're taking on the world. So just subscribe and
that is it. No dread, no doubt.
Out here without fear.
No dread. Super beautiful, massive. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Just want to say thank you to so much for something Jamaica what it is today. And you don't know, big up to everybody who watches this video. Big up the entire Cameron family. You don't know, father, son, channel 2 as well. And there's other one, Dream Island TV. Big up every time as we just chill out and explore the beautiful Caribbean islands. Yeah, so we don't know, we're gonna jump back on the boat now and head across. We get the ices them we want and thing. So we'll go over and eat some oysters and then chill out for the rest of vibes. See? Mad love, mad respect to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. One love. See? That is it. Ah, man, it's good now.
I just say, bow show off. A bit and then slide them off a little bit away. Well, come off the way now. All the time.
One life to live.
Jump in now, jump in now.
Where's the happy?
Happy man, happy.
I'm a summit man. Beal. Inside. One love to all, massive, you understand? That is it. I feel good.